Hi, everyone, and welcome to Crazy Plant People. My name is Aldrich, one of the co founders here, and today we're going to be showcasing this new platform that we've just launched. So, if you're not familiar already, we have a number of Crazy Plant People communities across social media, and a lot of people have been coming back to us asking if they can, if there's more opportunities to engage more, whether it's sharing their stories or uploading a video or just learning more about plants in general. And so, we've put together this platform to achieve those goals, to help people with those goals. And so, as I said, we'll do a bit of a tour and a walkthrough of the platform so you can see exactly how it works. But ultimately, we just want you to have more opportunity to be engaged. So first thing you should do, join up, get familiar with the platform, download the app if you're if you prefer to be more mobile, and just get involved. Ask questions, offer feedback, and we'll do our best to facilitate and grow the way you, the community, want to grow. So, without further ado, we'll jump into the platform now. When you first log in to Crazy Plant People, you'll be greeted with this dashboard here, which is essentially your home feed. So it's really a good comparison to it would be like your Facebook feed, right? So really great way for you to see the latest content, recent people that have joined, and what's going on across the community. If you want to dive deeper into the community and different topics, you can head over to the Discovery tab and see what what the recent new members are doing, upcoming events, the groups that are new or growing, and the workshops as well. So we'll jump into those a little bit more in a second. But yes, the Discovery tab is certainly where you can discover new content. Members, pretty self-explanatory. If you want to connect with other members, perhaps near you or recent new members, or perhaps there's someone interesting that you want to connect with, just feel free to go ahead and follow that person. Otherwise, I'd also recommend inviting new people into this platform. So if you have friends that are into plants just as much as you are, or one is interested to learn more about plants, invite them along. It's absolutely free, and it's really easy to join. So diving into the different features here. So the first feature we'll cover off here is topics. Really straightforward. The topic section just is an opportunity for us to really group the different topics that's been covered across the community, whether it's to do with specific plants or if there's a current theme going on, and different types of plants. So we'll continue to grow this out as we generate and develop more content. The same goes for events as well. So events is a feature where people such as yourself can upload or let other people know about upcoming events, plant related, of course. And so if you are interested in meeting people in person and want to attend events, this is a great way to do that. So again, as co-founders, we will definitely seed these topics with events, but ultimately it's really up to you to to upload them and let other people know about upcoming events. Professions is an interesting one. So this is a way for you to connect with other people in your profession. So when you first log in or register, you'll have the opportunity to select your profession, or let us know your profession, and that'll automatically enroll you into these different groups for learning and growth. And finally, groups is just a way for people to create a specific group. So if you're into plants and you have a group in your local community that regularly meet, and you want your own online private group forum, then you can certainly go ahead and create those. Finally, we have workshops. Workshops is an area that we hope to really invest in, and because we know that there's a lot of people out there that want to learn more about plants, how to grow plants, how to keep them alive, and workshops is a great way for us to really educate people around that. It's there's no limit to who can get involved or upload workshops. And it's a great way for you to get your name out there if you're an Instagram influencer, or you have your own business. Spend the time to build workshops, lessons, tutorials, how-tos, and as we continue to populate this area, we hope that we'll get even more and more specialized in the teaching. So that brings us back to our homepage. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Again, if you're not already a member, please join, get involved, be part of our growth, because this is sure to blow up once we start really getting start promoting this. So far, we already have over 100 members without us even having to really promote it. And so as we have more and more members, we'll continue to promote it, and this is sure to grow quickly over time. So again, my name is Aldridge. Thank you so much for being part of our community, and we look forward to hanging out. Bye for now.